Hello again, this is Robert Veach here. This is my video review of the Portutif brand V1 vacuum cleaner. This is a HEPA filter 3-pack replacement filters so that you could clean the one that you're using and have an immediate replacement. Now this contains 3 of these HEPA filters. They're high quality, made in the source factory, customized HEPA filter for the specific vacuum cleaner that I'm going to show. It's made of high quality materials and layers of filtration, and the efficiency of this is 0.3 micrometer particles and 99%, and no secondary pollution goes into the room when you use this. It's one-piece integrated core with 3 layers progressive purification H13 level, which is really impressive. It's PM 2.5 removal rate of 99.95%. So let's take a look at this. This is specifically designed for that V1, which is ASIN number B09VKPHJVF. So if you look at these, they have the proper rubberized seal on the back and the pull-out handle on there. And you can see they're very rigid and they have a large surface area. That's how they work. I'm going to show you the vacuum cleaner I'm using it with. So there is the vacuum cleaner, the V1 that I have mounted on the wall. And by the way, this is the first vacuum cleaner that my wife allowed me to put on the wall in the kitchen because it's so effective and so attractive looking. You can watch my video review of this. I have a full review of this vacuum cleaner. There'll be a link in the description. So here's the V1 and here's the original filter. I'm going to remove that and show you how to put in the new replacement filter. It's really simple. There's a curved side and a flat side. And that's it, you're done. So what do I think about the replacement filters, the 3-pack for the V1 vacuum cleaner? This is a good value. It's always great to have extra on hand. This is an excellent vacuum cleaner. Again, I'll have the link to the review of that and the link to purchase the vacuum cleaner and this great 3-pack. So I'm going to give this product a full 5-star rating. Please remember to hit the subscribe button and the bell icon to alert to new video uploads. And if you thought this review was helpful, please hit the like button. There'll be an ordering link in the information section of this video review. Please use that link when you order this product to help support this channel. I hope this video review helped you with your buying decision. Thank you for watching.